Hello everyone, Fred here. Thanks for stopping by the Camping Family channel. Starting to think about winterizing. We're in the first part of November. It's getting cold out. We haven't had a true frost yet, but it's been real close. I'm worried about the pipes. We may be going for another camping trip, so I don't want to do a full winterization yet, but I would at least like to drain the water lines just in case we get some pretty hard cold nights here. First thing I want to do is open up all the faucets, so when I open up my low point drains, which is what my goal is, the water will drain out. So let's walk around, open up all of our faucets. This type of a faucet here, what I do is I just put it in the middle so we get both the hot and the cold. We'll go around to all the faucets, open everything up, and then we'll go outside and open up the low point drains. So let's do that now. All the faucets are open. I actually have two low point drains. I have one on the passenger side of the rig and then one on the driver's side. Passenger side is where the main low point valves are. I opened up both the hot and the cold. Once I did that, everything drained out really nice. So we hit this side, then we'll go hit the other side. So by opening up the faucets inside, it allows the air to get in the lines, releases the water. So we'll come over to this side, same scenario. Open up your valves, faucets are open, water would drain out. I did this yesterday. So we're good to go. I think these are good too. I also checked my faucet. A little bit of water there even. So let's get all that water out. There we go. And this will be good to go until we do a full winterization. But this allows us to still do some camping here, even if there's a potential for a freeze. And I'm not too concerned with the water being out of the lines. Anyway, thanks for stopping by today. Hope it was helpful. Be sure to subscribe and give me that thumbs up. Have a good day.